The heavy-duty rough terrain scissor carts are designed to be used at nurseries, gardens, construction sites, and gravel pits. The large and front-rear pneumatic tires allow for movement over most surfaces. These carts are great for moving loads over different types of terrain. The rough terrain elevating carts minimize operator bending and lifting. To raise and lower these carts, simply utilize the foot pump. The hydraulic system includes a soft lowering down valve. Also has a removable ergonomic handle. A small storage compartment can be used for accessories such as small tools, ratchet straps, and bungee cords. Very little exertion is required to raise and lower while performing maintenance. The simplicity and compactness of these carts make them ideal for lifting and transporting loads. Models have different capacities ranging between 400 and 1,500 pounds. A variety of platform sizes and surface ranges are available. It has a rugged welded steel construction and a baked-in powder coat blue finish for added toughness. Elevate your work with a rough terrain elevating cart.